This is how you clean your room and not get too bored and actually kind of having fun, I guess. So start by listening to music. Place your phone somewhere. And now let's start it. One good thing is to wear something that you feel good in, like I'm doing right now. Organize some of your makeup so you'll easily find it and it's easier to put back. Sitting here crying with hunger. I'ma walk my dog. Excuse me. Thank you.
Hello, buddy. How are you? Why are you so sad?
Such a big procrastinator. I was beginning to look at the videos that I'm gonna edit instead of cleaning my room, and I gotta be done in an hour and 35 minutes. So I kind of gotta hurry. But oh, forgot a plate. Yeet. Wing. And yes, we have black plates. Fancy. I got them for Christmas by my brother. Impressive. You got scared, huh? I'm sorry. I'm not gonna jump over you. But like Jimin's face be like,
Walkie, walkie, walkie.
okay, I'm gonna be sorting all my Disney characters because I have way too many. So I have this big bag. It's basically filled up when I put them in. And I have this smaller one, which is the first one I got. I'm gonna sort them as in number 1, 2, or 3 because I have all 3 versions. Yes, this is filled with characters. So for the number 1, we're gonna put that in the big bag, the big ass bag, and I'm gonna go through all my characters because that's fun. This is how much space there is, and I have cards for them all. So I have the Incredibles family, except Violet is gone. I can't find her anywhere because I'm stupid.
For me,
I have the evil boy too. Wreck-It Ralph. Sasha. He was eating some of my erasers. Not okay. I have cars. This one too. Oh yeah, I also have Sally. Phineas. Looks weird from this side. It's like you can't see his eye. Mickey Mouse. Elsa. Anna. Whatever he's called in English. Mike. Forgot what his name is, but he's cool. This dude. Jack Sparrow. I have the upgraded Sully. His name is Sully, right? And the normal version. Rapunzel. Buzz Lightyear. Woody. This girl. Then we have these for the games. This one. We have The Incredibles. We have Jack Sparrow. We have Monsters Inc. Here we have Cars. And Toy Story. Looking like Candyland-ish from Wreck-It Ralph. And to make it look like snow from Frozen, obviously. So this is all the number 1 characters I have. So now to this one. Then we have number 2 and 3. We have all the Marvel in here. Iron Man, forgot what he's called, but he's here too. Hulk, Thor, Nova, I don't know. Captain America, Spider-Man, Merida, Stitch, Donald Duck, whatever she's called, the Marvel base tower thing. This, I think, this is for Spider-Man. 2 Star Wars characters. Inside Out, see, Star Wars, Jedi, the Jedi, whatever. And the Inside Out thing here. Just let me close it, please. Yes, we did it. Very bulky. I dropped it. I made it like 2nd grade. I don't know. Oh no. No, I only have 1 left. Sadness. It's a pocket watch. I have this one I got from my girlfriend, but it broke, so it's the next day. It's about almost 11 a.m. Okay, so I'm gonna like for real clean my room, and then I'm probably gonna mix up some things for like moving around my bed and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. Looks right now because my mom took some of my stuff outside, so yeah. Strawberries and anus. 6, and I'm not done yet because I've been eating a lot and spending time with my mom. So yeah.
I'm sure we all enjoyed the piano interlude, but now we must hurry on to our period of questions and answers.
My mom approved my work. I'm very happy now. Yes. So the only thing I need now is to take yeah, whatever. Sort it out what I want and what I don't want, and then I have to wash the floor, put the toilet seat back on, and then be done. Okay, so I'm gonna put on some pants because I'm freezing as hell out in that fucking bathroom because, yeah, so like. As usual. Okay. This is how it looks like this. Pretty. Okay. Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna be cleaning the floor now. Yes. Hi. Okay, so I'm basically done now, and I just wanted to say thank you for staying until now and still be watching. And if you wanna watch more of my content, just subscribe and like. I have a lot of videos coming up. I know that I say that every time, but it's because I'm pretty slow at editing. Yes, that was basically the video, I guess. We'll see each other for the next video. Bye!